Hi, ArcfieldWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday morning, July 25th. It looks like the first extended heat wave of the summer season so far in the Mid-Atlantic region, northeast U.S. will break today with the arrival of a frontal system. That front will generate some showers and potentially some strong to severe thunderstorms as well, anytime from the midday on through the afternoon into the evening hours. Much more reasonable temperatures in line for Tuesday. In fact, it'll be below normal in much of the Mid-Atlantic region. The normal high right now, for example, in Philadelphia at PHL, Philadelphia International Airport, is about 88 degrees. Tomorrow, probably high temperatures confined to the lower, maybe the middle 80s following the passage of this frontal system. Certainly was a hot weekend. It looks like the only 100-degree reading I saw in the D.C. to New York City corridor was in Newark, New Jersey. I believe they reached 100 degrees on one or both of the weekend days. But at National Airport, Reagan National Airport in D.C., it was 96 degrees on Saturday, 94 degrees yesterday. Philadelphia reached 98 on Saturday and 99 degrees yesterday. And LaGuardia was the highest recording, the official recording numbers I saw for the weekend in the New York City metro area, a little bit higher than Central Park, for example. LaGuardia hit 97 on Saturday and 98 degrees on Sunday. Probably those are the highest temperatures that these urban areas will see all summer long. We are now, right now, statistically the warmest time of the summer season. That's from a climatological point of view. And the rest of the week into the weekend looks much more reasonable in terms of temperatures. So again, it's possible that this is the last time D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City reach the upper 90s in the summer season. We'll just have to wait and see on that. Here's the latest radar, Luke, from the College of DuPage weather website. Certainly can see where some frontal activity exists right now, early in the day here. Some showers and embedded thunderstorms cutting across central Pennsylvania, a little bit of activity out ahead of the main band across eastern West Virginia, and anywhere from midday through the afternoon into the evening, D.C. area, Philadelphia, New York City can get in on some of the action. Again, as has been the case much of the summer season, not everybody gets hit, but anybody can receive a strong to potentially severe thunderstorm later today into the nighttime hours. Well, let's go through last night's operational run of the GFS. This is the 6Z version of the GFS. We're starting off today here on Monday morning with a wave over the southeastern part of Canada, the eastern Great Lakes, associated with this frontal system that is slowly sliding from the northwest to the southeast into the Mid-Atlantic region. And here's that wave, cuts across northern New England later on today into the evening hours. And again, that is setting off some showers and embedded thunderstorms right now. With some heating of the day, we'll certainly have some instability in the lower part of the atmosphere that will increase during the midday and afternoon hours, potentially leading to some strong to severe thunderstorms. Not everybody will get hit, but certainly anybody can receive a strong thunderstorm as this frontal system arrives. Now we go through the next 48 hours or so. Here we are on midday on Tuesday and then into the day on Wednesday morning. And just notice this wind flow aloft right here. Basically a west to east kind of a wind flow in the upper part of the atmosphere. That's telling us that this frontal system that reaches the Mid-Atlantic region later on today into tonight will just tend to stall out as it slides a little bit to the south and east, maybe into southern or central Virginia by tomorrow. It'll stall out and basically remain in that position for the next several days, and that will certainly keep things unsettled in the Mid-Atlantic region Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. What do I mean by unsettled? Well, the chance of showers and thunderstorms will continue probably tomorrow night, and then during the day on Wednesday and Thursday and even into Friday. And you see upstream here, by midweek we have a pretty impressive upper level system in south central Canada. That slides to the south and east, and it looks like that frontal system will kind of have some strength behind it late Friday night, and it looks like a below normal air mass, a cooler than normal air mass, will push into the mid-Atlantic region, the northeastern part of the country for the upcoming weekend. This is the forecast map for Saturday afternoon. Well, let's in fact take a look at the temperature pattern. These are the 850 millibar temperature anomalies here. One more day of 90 degree plus afternoon highs. DC, Philadelphia, New York City, Boston, probably in the range of 90 to 93, not as excessive as it was on Saturday or Sunday when high temperatures generally reach the upper 90s in the northeastern part of the nation. But look at over the Great Lakes. Cooler than normal air, and that does push into the mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S. for the day on Tuesday. Again, I mentioned up front the normal temperature right now, for example, at PHL, Philadelphia International, 88 degrees, probably highs tomorrow in the low to mid 80s. 90 degrees is a normal temperature right now at Reagan National Airport, DCA, and they'll be confined to the 80s on Tuesday as well. We'll have kind of a burst of temperatures on Thursday, probably back to, this is the Thursday morning forecast map, probably back to 90 degrees, maybe 92 degrees in the I-95 corridor region on Thursday. But that surge in temperatures on Thursday will be rather short-lived, and upstream we have a nice air mass crossing the upper Midwest by the time we get to Friday morning. The Great Lakes, a nice day on Friday, and it looks like that cooler than normal air arrives in the mid-Atlantic region just in time for the upcoming weekend. So a far change this coming Saturday and Sunday compared to the last couple of days. This below normal air mass will stick around both Saturday and Sunday in the northeastern part of the nation. Well, let's wrap up by looking at the surface forecast maps from the 6Z run of the GFS. And again, we have a frontal system slowly working its way into the towards the mid-Atlantic region right now. It's located right about this region right here as we begin the day here on Monday. And there'll be showers and embedded thunderstorms along that frontal system. And by the time we get to the late afternoon, evening hours, GFS certainly is indicating the possibility of some strong storms, maybe some brief heavy downpours. Not everybody gets hit, but any location can get a strong thunderstorm later on today into tonight. Really, the threat begins during the midday hours. And then that front will kind of tend to stall out right in this region right here. This is the Tuesday afternoon forecast map. The frontal system, just with that west to east kind of flow in the upper part of the atmosphere, the front will certainly not come blasting through. It'll just tend to stall out right around this region right here, probably southern Virginia, and that'll keep it unsettled. Certainly a chance of showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday afternoon in D.C., maybe Tuesday night in Philadelphia, New York City up here. But with that frontal system stalled out, its close proximity will keep it unsettled really for the remainder of the week. But the good news on the temperature side of things is that it'll be much more reasonable for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There'll be a surge in temperatures on Thursday back to the 90-degree mark, but that'll be kind of a short-lived surge in temperatures. And then we have another frontal system upstream coming from northwest to southeast. By the time we get to Friday morning, it's situated right on the doorstep of the mid-Atlantic region, probably in this location right here come Friday morning, and it is moving in this direction. Certainly can be some showers and thunderstorms on Friday associated with that next front. But the good news is that below normal air mass right here by the time we get to Saturday morning will be all around the mid-Atlantic region, the Great Lakes, the northeast part of the nation. Looks like below normal temperatures not only Saturday but Sunday as well. So the first big heat wave of the summer season will break today in the mid-Atlantic region, in the northeast, with the arrival of a frontal system. That front could certainly set off some shower activity and maybe even some strong to severe thunderstorm activity later in the day into tonight. Much, much more comfortable conditions on Tuesday, but it does remain unsettled for the remainder of the week. That's it for now. For ArcfieldWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.